Hello everyone, welcome to Lodeta Think Media with Adiola Aliatekoja. I did a research a couple of weeks ago on 5 things every successful people do daily. Listen folks, I don't know where I'm meeting you in your journey to success. Maybe you are stressed out, you are underperforming, maybe you are not effective, and maybe you are depressed and you are thinking you don't know how to move ahead. This video is going to be helping you to find your steps and take you back on track and give you tips that will help you to massively improve your outcome on your journey to success. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. This channel is for you. It's about self-development for success and for financial success, and it's also for relationship tips. And every week I upload a video on sharing strategies, best tips, interviews, trainings on how you can improve your lifestyle, doing what you love, and how you can take massive steps in improving your life to impacting your world. And the first thing that I found out in my research, every successful people you will ever meet, they are good decision makers. Every successful people, what they do daily, firstly, they start their day on a paper before the day begins. They put every task they want to accomplish on paper before stepping out of even their bed, because they know that if they want to accomplish anything important, they must plan ahead. And listen folks, you know the brain you can always trick your brain by trying to put 3 things you want to accomplish or 3 tasks you want to get done. Your brain will be triggered and wired to such a way, look for how to make sure you accomplish those purposes. And I know it will be done. And there's one thing I want you to notice, that you are a target. Everyone is competing for your space, for your time, for your attention. The news, the media, everything. But when you start by taking a decision to itemize your goals and your plans for the day before the day actually starts, you are going to see that you are going to have a better outcome, a better result than just starting your day haphazardly without making any plan. Remember, that is why you have to take a decision every day to show up in what really matters in your path to success. The second point I'm going to be sharing with you is self-esteem. Every successful leader and everyone that have been successful in life, they have learned how to correlate their self-talk in such a way that their inner dialogue and everything that happens internally, they have find a way of suppressing every negative voice that comes to your ear. They change their inner dialogue from negative to positive. They take a journey to begin to see how they can experience that thing in their life that they have, you can imagine it. From that, your self-esteem of not being able to do things, being a failure, not ever completing any task you set your eyes on, not doing what is necessary for you, just always feeling you don't have what it takes. I just want you to take a journey to the best events that happen in your life that you are proud of yourself. Can you take a journey? Can you travel back? Maybe when you're young, maybe when you're in your universities or in your elementary days. If you can remember those days and one important event in your life that you were so proud of yourself, I want you to use it as a reference point to which you can begin to boost your self-esteem, to which you can begin to believe yourself again, and to which you can begin to see that you can actually silence that inner villain and that inner negative talk that keeps telling you you are not up to what you desire to do. Take control of your focus, and it will begin to help your emotion, because what you focus on controls your emotion. And when you begin to constantly focus on the negative things, your emotion will be affected. You begin to have anger, you begin to be jealous of other people that are making success. You begin to pollute everywhere with negative, and before you know it, you are being drained of power, of the energy, of vigor that you need to start your day with. So I want to encourage you, start your day on a positive vibe. Listen to good music, good words of encouragement that can boost your day and bring energy that you can run your day with. If you are finding values in all the tips I'm sharing, please share and put a comment below. Leave a comment below if you are having value on what I'm sharing. Next point that I want to tell you on what every successful people do daily is they prepare for the future. They are not always complaining about the present. Every successful people prepare for the future. They don't complain about the past because the past is gone. They focus on today and what they are going to do to make the future better. Listen, what you focus on, develop and determines your future. They challenge yourself. In 5 years, 10 years from now, what are the opportunities, what are the skills that will be on demand? Position yourself towards getting such skills. Save towards making money so that you can go and get those skills. Connect yourself with people that are goal getters, that are important people in that sphere that you want, and make sure you keep on researching and move from level of knowledge, and from there you're going to be seeing that you are moving closer to your journey to becoming a successful person. Another point I want to share with you on how to be part of those 5% people that are successful in the world. Every successful people, they always not wait. They don't wait for perfectionism. They always take action. They don't wait for everything to be in place before they start taking steps towards whatever they want to achieve. They start by getting the 40% of the needed necessary knowledge and understanding about the particular action they want to accomplish, and they proceed from that knowledge and they start practicing, start stepping out. Just like you imagine a little baby, 9-year-old or 10-year-old baby that is practicing walk. Every day the baby crawl, stand up, take steps. That is one of the secrets that every successful people do. They take steps on every idea, on everything they believe in themselves that they want to accomplish. They don't allow anybody to talk them down, and they don't wait till everything is finished. Like some of you like I used to do before. I would say, no, I'm still waiting. I remember sometimes when I was working on this journey, because this is not who I used to be before. I was very reserved, and I would say, I'm reading, I'm researching, I'm going to start next week, I'm going to read all these books. But I just discovered that by the time I kept reading, I didn't take any action. Until one day, I got a book that I was reading, and from that book, I saw that every little step you take on that journey is what is going to take you and move you drastically forward. Without doing anything on that particular start, you are still going to meet it where you have left it. So I challenge you today, make sure you start by taking steps. Don't wait. Don't wait. I say again, don't wait. The last point I'm going to be sharing is every successful people, they live healthy. They prioritize their health. Life is a journey, and your health is important on that journey to the success you are desiring. If you don't take care of your health, you will not be happy. And if you are not happy, you cannot even work. You cannot even be successful. So you need to pay attention. Do periodical work up, exercise, do checkups, medical checkups periodically, and make sure you eat healthy. And don't just take life as if you can have it anyhow, because by the time you begin to progress on your journey to success, you don't want your body to fail you. A lot of people have been out there stressing themselves out of life, putting all the effort, burning, but they little pay attention to their health. And that is why you begin to see so many different names, different ailments that is plaguing so many people out there. If you don't want that to be your experience, I challenge you, take good care of your health. Study your body. Study yourself. You will know what are the things that your body don't like, what are the things that body likes, what are the kind of foods that you need to be eating, what are the kind of food you need to take yourself away from. And even back here in the country, in America, where I stay, a lot of people, they claim that I just need to they eat anything they like, and they believe that I just need to exercise. By the time I exercise, I will be okay. That is far away from the truth. You need to know that some of the things you eat, if they are not good and healthy for your body, even though you exercise, it's going to take a longer time before you can get to the desired result you want. So I encourage you to please go and start taking every of these tips that I share with you today and begin to put them into practice, and you're going to see a great and massive difference in your success outlook in life. If you enjoyed this video, I encourage you to please like and share it to anybody that you know can equally benefit from these tips. And together, we are going to meet and be that very person you have internalized yourself being. Thank you once again for watching. I encourage you to please visit my page on my Facebook page, Lodetta Consulting, and you're going to see more videos that I did on personal development skills. And I equally did a video with one of my colleagues in this journey, and I'm going to put the link on the playlist. You're going to watch. I did an interview with a friend of mine who's based in New York, and